How to buy Akita Inu on Trust Wallet using Uniswap is what I'm going to show you in this video. First, you want to download the Trust Wallet and get yourself an account. The next step would be to click buy in the top right and get yourself some Ethereum, because that's what you are going to swap Akita Inu coin for. So you want to buy Ethereum using MoonPay, Mercurial, or Simplex, but MoonPay gives you the best rate. The minimum would be $120. So you go buy, go through, and once you have your Ethereum, you go back, click on the apps. If you don't have the apps, because you're on iPhone, you need to go to your browser and go to trust colon / browser underscore enable. You then click go and you will get back to the Trust Wallet and you will have the apps or browser enabled on your iOS device. The next step would be to scroll down and go to Uniswap Exchange. This might take some time to load because Uniswap is under very heavy load because so many people want to swap their coins on here with all these massive gains in the last couple of days. There you go. Once you're there and it's loaded, you need to make sure in the top right you're on Ethereum. If not, you click this and swap to Ethereum. Go back. Now you can see swap Ethereum. Then you click select a token underneath that in red and search for Akita. There you go. Once you see Akita, there's Akita Inu. You can click import. This token does not appear to be an active token list because it's a new one. Click import. Now you can choose, you can see your Ethereum balance that you just bought on the Trust Wallet at the top. You then click how much you want to swap. So how much Ethereum you want to swap into Akita. And you can see its dollar value beneath that. One important part would be to click the settings icon to the right of swap at the top right, and then you can see the slippage tolerance. You can start by using 0.1 and increase it if the swap doesn't go through. Once you're done with that, click enter amount and then click swap. And you should have bought yourself some Akita Inu coin. That's how to buy Akita Inu on Trust Wallet using Uniswap. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.